Oh yeah, you still chose to stay. You did not change when I did. When I walked a different road, when I could not be consistent, you still carry every load. You stayed the same. You remain. You never changed when I did.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in the worship moment. Kindly do well by comment. Let me know how you feel about the worship, and let us make it happening together. Remain connected.
DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. I was steady, then I broke. I had words, then I lost hope. I stood strong, then I fell. I knew peace, then I knew hell. I was certain, then unsure. I was loud, then insecure. I moved forward, then I slowed. I felt fire, then went cold. I changed so much I could not see who I was becoming to be. I thought my changes would move you too, that I would lose my place with you. But in the shift of all I knew, one thing stayed completely true. You did not change when I did. When I was rising and falling, when I was strong and weak again, your love was always calling. Yeah, you did not change when I did. When I was losing my way, when I could not recognize myself, you were the same every day. I thought your love would mirror me, that it would move unsteadily. I thought if I could not remain, then I would lose what I had gained. But you are not like shifting sand. You are the rock on which I stand, unmoved by all that I become, unshaken by what I have done. You did not change when I did. When I did. When I was rising and falling, when I was strong, when I was strong and weak again, and your love was always calling. You did not change. You did not change when I did. When I was losing my way, when I was losing my way, when I could not recognize myself, you were the same every day. DJ Jerryman, no pressure, just truth. There was a moment I stood still, no more trying to fix my will, no more hiding all my flaws, no more covering every cause. I saw myself for what I am, unsteady heart and fragile hand. And in that truth so deep, so wide, I felt no distance from your side. You did not pull away from me. You stood in love unchangingly. You did every phase, through every shift, through all my ways, there is a love that will remain beyond my loss, beyond my gain. And even when I lose my frame, you will forever stay the same. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still anchored. You did not change when I did. When I was rising, and falling. When I was strong and weak again. Your love was always calling. You did not change when I did. When I did. When I could not recognize myself, you were the same every day. You stayed constant, you stayed true. You did not change when I did.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in the worship moment. Please kindly do a comment. Let me know how you feel about the worship, and let us make it happening together. Remain connected.
DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. I let it go, I lost the fight, I dropped the hope, I dimmed the light, I stopped believing things could change. I grew tired of all the pain. I told myself this is the end. No strength to try, no will to mend. I closed the door on dreams I knew and walked away from what felt true. I gave up on the better me, on who I hoped I still could be. I thought that moment sealed my fate, that giving up would make you wait no more. But in the silence of defeat, I felt a love refuse to retreat. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right beside. You did not give up when I did. When I said I'm done, I'm through. When I could not see a future, you still saw me breaking through. I thought your plan depended on my strength to keep holding on. I thought your love would fade away the moment I could not stay. But you are not a fragile flame that dies with loss or feeds on gain. You hold the end, you hold the stars. You never drop a willing heart. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right beside. was a moment I broke down low. No more pretending I could go. No more answers left to say. No more strength to find a way. I stood in pieces on the ground, lost in silence, no safe sound. And in that place, so torn, so wide, I felt your presence step inside. Not asking why I gave it up, but lifting me with steady love. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right beside. You did not give up when I did. When I said I'm done, I'm through. When I could not see a future, you still saw me breaking through. Now I know, even when I reach the end, again and again, there is love that will remain beyond my loss, beyond my pain. And even if I fall apart, you still will hold my fragile heart. DJ Jerryman.